Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I am going to show you the kits, plural, that I've been working on and try to explain this thing. This is a little more complex than most of the things I've done, all of the things I've done. So it's going to take a little bit of splaining. So there is a main kit, and that's this one, and it's all the pieces and parts. So there's the front cover, the spine, the back cover. This thing is just full of pockets and all sorts of things. So I'm just going to let you see kind of what the visuals are. This is a big envelope. This is an according envelope. This is a removable piece. This is a removable journal cover. Some more pockets, part of the removable piece. These are pockets. A lot of these really cute things I've duplicated smaller so you can make tags, and those are for tags. And so this is what it's going to look like, I mean, as far as the designs for it. So that's the main kit, and I'll explain what that means in a minute. And then this is the add-on kit. And I know it's kind of like, what is this? I'll show you in just a second. But these are the designs. So you can see the colors, you know, what I use for a lot of the seed catalogs, actually. This is a cover panel if you choose to use it. It says Wisdom, the book of Proverbs. Now this thing has no words in it. Well, not very many words in it as far as what kind of journal it is. So this could actually be used for anything. And so what's going to make it the Wisdom Journal will be one of the add-on kits. So again, pockets, gorgeous, I think, gorgeous files that I found to use. Some botanicals, nests, seed catalogs, and then I did do one page of tags that have Proverbs on them. But you know, this is supposed to incorporate the whole book of Proverbs, and my goodness, I think I bit off more than I could chew. So okay, so that's the add-on kit. Well, then I have the kit with the verses if you choose to put them in. And I'm printing these on just regular copy paper, thin copy paper. And they're not formatted on tags or cards or anything. So what I did is I went through the whole book of Proverbs, which is 31 Proverbs. I condensed them. I got rid of some of the scriptures about sons, you need to stay away from prostitutes and those sorts of things. So what I was trying to do is get each one to be at least no more than half of a sheet. So you could easily fold it and put it in the pockets in this thing. Some of them had less. A couple of them I could not condense. It was too much. It was like everything in it was important. So a couple of them I put the whole proverb on, but most of them I sort of condensed it down. So there's 31 Proverbs, and I think it's 17 pages. So that kind of tells you. Now, you can cut them up, fold them, put them in the journal, or if you want to, you can cut these out, make your own cards and tags if you'd rather do that. But at least I'm giving you what you need. So that is what the add-on kit with the Proverbs. And also for all you out there, some of you have commented to me that you prefer the King James. I usually use the New American Standard Version. I was always taught that it's the most accurate. It's a little easier to understand because it doesn't have the Old English, you know, these and thous and all that on it. But I also understand that a lot of churches have you memorize the King James Version, and that's what you grew up with, and that's what you memorized. So for this one journal, I can't guarantee I'll do it every time. For this one, because it's so word heavy, I did a separate add-on in the King James Version. So they're both going to be out there. So anyway, I think that's it. Now let me show you. This is a mock-up, okay? And it doesn't have the color files, but I just wanted to show you what we're going to make. And this is a smaller one. The real one is going to be just a little bit bigger than this. So with the main kit, look away from this. This is accessory, or this is the add-on kit. The main kit is this journal, back, spine, front. The big envelope glues here. There's a detachable journal that's going to go here and tie in. And then this is an accordion envelope that is on this side. You open it up. Here's another envelope. You pull this down. There's 2 pockets here. And then here is a removable, so we're going to add a string or ribbon here, a removable part that will open up. There's 2 pockets here, 2 pockets here, open up 2 pockets here, and this will have a tie-in notepad. And then fold up, and it will be removable. And that is all in the main kit. Then in the add-on kit, we're going to come over here, and we're going to add this piece, which will be the cover panel, because it folds back on the cover. There's a pocket here. It opens up. There's 2 pockets here. This ties with string, and you'll have room to put things under here. And then on the other side of this are 2 pockets. This folds back on itself. And then this will have a torn paper pocket. You open it up. This has a fold out with a pocket, and it reveals 2 pockets here. Or no, I'm sorry, a belly band. Open that up. It's got this kind of a pocket. 2 pockets here. This has a cutout window with a pocket that you can put something that'll show behind it. And then this will open up. This is a pocket, and then this is a flap, and it will close with string. And then there is an envelope on this side. So that is all in accessory. I'm sorry, I keep saying accessory. This is all in the add-on kit. These pieces here that add to the cover. So as you can see, it's got a lot going on. It's going to be really cool. It's got a 2-inch spine because we're going to fill it up with 31 Proverbs and a notepad and a journal. So it's going to be pretty full. So I'm going to walk you through this whole thing. We're all going to hold hands and walk into this and make one. So I hope you're excited. I'm excited, and let's get started. See you soon on the very first how-to video on this journal. Bye-bye.